Hey guys, I'm back. I'm Ingrid from the Cussing Quilter, and I'm getting ready to start another pixel quilt of my grandson. And I wanted you guys to see how the fabric comes in and what I do to it. These next few videos are going to be a little bit more detailed, so hang in there with me. Here we go. Alright, so I got the fabric from 3 different places because I couldn't get all the colors in one place. I get the majority from Cotton Candy CT Fabrics, and I asked her to label them for me. So here we go. I do wash and starch all my fabrics, as you guys know from previous videos. So I have to know what colors I'm getting because you can see they're all really close. And if I don't have them label them, then I can't do the pixel quilt. Alright, so I got 14 colors total, but I think I got 11 or so from Cotton Candy CT from fabrics from Erin. Alright, see, here's how she brings them in, or sends them in, I'm sorry. Each one is labeled. Each one. All right. And this other store on Etsy, all the stores are on Etsy, is called PEARTREE. Let's see, let me get the total name. It's called PEARTREEMARKET. And usually I don't get everything from her because the shipping is a little bit expensive. But they usually have the colors that Erin does not have. Alright, so since I'm going to wash these, I have to take these labels off, right? So I have to have some kind of way of still identifying this fabric. So I have this permanent marker here. This Pentax gel roller pen. And it's a medium. The fine, it doesn't work very well. So what I do is I take each one and I find the selvage and I write the name of it in there. And this one is Coal. And this will not come off in the wash. So even after I wash it, I can still tell what color this is. And I go through each one and write that in there. Storm. Isn't that a beautiful color? Storm. And if I forget one or I can't tell because the fabric is too dark, I do have that Kona color card. This is pewter. And shadow. Ash, and smoke. It's a beautiful color. Lighthouse. I've never used this one before. This is new. And haze. I have used haze a lot for backgrounds. It's kind of a grayish neutral, haze and ash. Silver. Charcoal. This is really pretty too. And since I have done so many of these quilts, I have a lot of these colors, and I go through my stash and make sure of what I have already, measure it, and I only order what I need. What is this one? Overcast. Shiitake. I had some of this one. I had most of these. Alright, that's all from Cotton Candy CT. in Pear Tree. And this one, I don't know what this is, but because it was only one in the package. This is from Pink Chihuahua Fabrics. And it was only one, but process of elimination, I'll figure out what that is. And I'm gonna mark it, and then I'm gonna go wash all these, and I'll bring you back when I'm ready to starch them all. Bye, guys.